Hello everyone, this is a recorded session explaining the functionality of notification sending panel from the dashboard. In the BI dashboard from where we do the production analysis, create schemes, do the user onboarding, we now have added the functionality of sending notification. Basically, now the management can directly send customized notification content to their users who will be able to receive it in their mobile applications directly. So starting with it, how the flow works is user has to first create a notification. For this, please log in into the dashboard via your credentials. Uh, to access the notification creation form, which is currently available under campaign and notification, press on click create and you will be able to access the notification creation form. This is divided into three sections. Information, in this section all the relevant information regarding the notification will have to be filled in. In the placement section, the user has the option to select which type of notification they want to send. It could be in-app notification or it could be a push notification as well. The third is a preview. It basically shows the notification, how the notification will look at the receiver end. So now we will try to create a notification. First is the title. Here we will use here we will use this as a notification title. The character length can be only up to 64 characters. The redirection link. In redirection link, we fill in any link we want the painter to visit when clicking upon the notification itself. So let's use this as the link. So now when the user will click on the notification, they should be redirected to google.com. In description, we can detail out all the information regarding the notification itself. For description, we have a 300 character length. So let's use this as the description in here. The next is the notification type. It could be a once or it could be a recurring type of notification. Some notifications are supposed to be sent once, and there are notifications that are supposed to be sent on regular basis, say daily, weekly, or based on the use case. Now to create a notification, you need to enter the date and time of sending the notification. In audience section, audience are basically pre-created cluster on our dashboard. It enables the user to send notification to a restricted group of users only. For this demo, the audience we are targeting are added in the cluster called demo cluster 1. So let's say we are planning to send a notification today at around 7:45. Here we have the option to add an attachment. This attachment will be available for download to all the users for which we have sent the notification itself. So let's add an attachment here. So let's use this screenshot as an attachment. So we have filled in all the details. Now we can create the press on create notifications. Once the notification is created, it will be visible in this notification table, and as you can see, its current status is active here. Now we have created a notification and we have sent it also. Now simultaneously we will show how the notification will appear on the mobile side as well. So we have selected the notification to be sent at 7:45. So let's wait for that. So as you can see, at exactly 7:45 we have received the notification. So this is basically a test notification. Sorry, this is basically a push notification, and we can see the description that was added to the notification during the creation. So if we press on the notification itself, we will be redirected to the app. So upon pressing it, we are redirected to the app. and here we can see at the top the notification that was sent most recently. uh, Clicking upon on this part, we will be able to download the attachment that we have added during the creation. Also, like we have told you, if we press down the notification itself in here, the user will be redirected to the link that we have added during the creation. So let's do that. See, so upon clicking it, we are redirected to google.com. Moving back to the dashboard again, we can see all the notifications we have created and the ones which are scheduled as well. This here shows the time. This shows the frequency at which the notifications are being sent, and this here shows the cluster or the audience for which the notifications are being sent as well. Sent and view are the stats that basically tells us how many users notification was sent and how many users have viewed it. So if we refresh it here, we are able to see 1 and 1 as the start here. So it basically means the notification was sent to one user, and that one user has viewed it. So as you can see, the status has been changed from active to completed. So now we have two actions available for a completed notification. First one is copy. Uh, Copy helps to creating the same notification again without filling the details again. Archive helps to put the notification into a different section. So if you press it archive in here, this this notification will be moved to this section here, and will not remain in the active section. Recurring notifications. Recurring notifications is basically scheduled for multiple events. So let's create one here. So we have to enter for recurring notification, we have to enter the start and end date, select the time and frequency. So let's so if we select the frequency as daily, the notification will be sent daily, and if we select weekly, then we have the option to select the days at which we want to send it. So so let's say we select daily, and we have the option here. uh, so if we have filled in the details for the recurring type of notification as well. So from 21st till 29th at 7 p.m. Daily, the notification will be sent. If we select the audience here as well, let's use the same cluster we use back. So we have filled in all these details. Please note that redirection link, description, and attachment, these are not mandatory requirements. You can just leave them empty if you don't have anything related to these. So now we can create the notification. Once the notification is scheduled, we can go back. So we have gone back to the dashboard. We have multiple options, like we can pause the notification. Depending, let's say we have sent the notification for 2 days, and for the rest of the 5 days we want to stop the notification or pause it for one day. We can just use this option. Similarly, we can use the copy option to copy all the details. We can use the edit option to edit any of the details we like, and similarly we can use the archive option to stop the notification and move it to a different section altogether. So that is all in this session. If you have any questions, please let us know.